Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you my yearly video of what's inside my bag, and this time this is my 2022 version of it. And if you have been with me since the start of this channel, you would know that I have been filming my what's inside my bag since 2020, and now I'm so excited to share with you my 2022 edition. So if you're interested to see what's inside my bag this 2022, then please keep on watching. Alright, so let's begin. So this is my current go-to bag right now. This is my Coach Klare na bag na limited edition. Iba yung design niya, and I really like the fact that it's actually cute. I love the red design or style here with a dark brown color of the bag with gold hardware. So it's really my kind of bag. And if you have been following me on Instagram, you would know that I always use this, and this one is present on on most of my OOTDs. So yeah, let's begin. Checking out what's inside this bag. Alright, so you would actually think that this bag is actually so small na konti lang yung malalagay nyo, but in reality, malaki talaga yung pwede mong malagay sa loob ng bag na to. So, I'm gonna show you what's inside. First, in this area, this is where I place my rose gold na pen. I feel like having a pen with you is a must-have nowadays. Kasi, minsan, diba, you need to sign things or documents or whatnot. Then, it's really good to have your own. Para hindi naman, to lessen contact sa ibang tao naman. Para safe lang kayo. Kasi syempre, hindi pa tapos yung COVID, and it would really be nice if you have your own pen. Ayan. So, next naman is this. I have this with me for some reason. This is a big gold hoop na earring. I think nalagay ko lang to dito after kong ginamit, or like in the middle of the day na umalis ako, and then hindi ko na siya bet, tinanggal ko, nilagay ko lang dito and hindi ko na natanggal. So yeah, I think in case aalis ako and medyo simple lang masyado yung suot ko, siguro I could wear this. Ayan, so ilagay ko na lang dyan ulit. And then dito naman sa zipper area, dito sa area na to, this is my Vicks inhaler. Go-to ko siya ngayon kasi go-to ko siya sa bag na to actually. Kasi maliit lang siya. And syempre, yung mga usual ko na mga haplas is kind of bulky and hindi siya bagay dito. So, eto muna yung ginagamit ko, and eto muna yung nilalagay ko sa bag para hindi masira yung bag, guys. So, next naman you would see I have the used salon pass. This is a must-have ko sa lahat ng bags ko. Dapat meron akong salon pass na dala, or else parang hindi kompleto yung bag ko. So, ayan, na-open na siya, but syempre, magagamit mo pa yung ibang mga dito, laman. So, yeah. And then, what else? Ooh. Okay, so I have here this accessories na naman. This is a small hoop na earrings na gold, and my sister bracelet with my sisters. Ayan. In case, I think nilagay ko lang siya dito, in case na magkasama kami ng mga sisters ko, and then, wini-wear nila yung bracelet namin, so at least masuot ko lang din siya anytime na sinusuot nila din. So, ayan. So, wala nang laman dito na area, so we're done with these two compartments na. Let's proceed to the third one. Dito talaga merong maraming laman, guys. So first off is this bulky small wallet that I have. This is also a Coach wallet na pinakita ko last year, I think. And ito pa rin siya, guys. Strong pa rin siya. And healthy. Charot. Walang laman lang. As usual, wala akong cash with me. It's just the cards, the IDs. But I have with me a medyo napansin ko lang this year, more cashless talaga ako since nag-start tong year na to. Hindi ako masyadong nag-vote ng cash. But if there's one thing that I learned this year, importante din talagang may cash ka in case may emergency and hindi sila tumatanggap ng cards or GCash or anything online. Importante din talagang may cash. So, having said that, mag-withdraw ako later. Next naman, I have here my sanitizer. This is a Tambourines sanitizer, perfume sanitizer gel in 000, inspired by Jessica ng SNSD or Girls' Generation. If you haven't seen her What's Inside My Bag video, you should watch it kasi nakakatawa siya. This one is really, really good, guys. Trinay ko to because of her, but then I would really repurchase this kasi sobrang bango niya, guys. And this is one of those things na pag wala ako sa mood or like gusto ko na ma-lift up yung vibe or mood ko, I would use this. Sobrang ano niya, bango niya, and it makes you feel luxurious enough. Kahit sa sanitizer gel lang. And then, hindi siya madaling matanggal yung smell niya, guys. Maglalast talaga. So, if nag-work ako, tapos nasa-stress ako, ginagamit ko to, and then, I feel a bit more okay, relaxed, or classy. Charot. Basta yun, guys. Yun yung feels ko sa ano na to. And they have 2 other variants. 3 sila lahat. And then, I haven't tried the other 2 pa lang. Ito lang. Kasi ito din kasi yung sinasuggest niya. So, yeah. I also have here my AirPods. Kasi for me, mas madali lang, mas nagagamit ko siya ngayon, the past few months. Kasi less hassle siyang gamitin. And walang maraming wire na ano yun mo sa bag mo. So, yeah. Next is my alcohol. Ang cute nito, guys. This is my alcohol. Gusto ko lang yung vibe niya because kung di nyo napapansin, tingnan nyo. Ito yung mga peg ng mga gamit ko sa loob ng bag. And I really like the fact na sobrang nipis niya. And sobrang fine din ng pag-spray na to. Sobrang fine. So, feeling ko maganda siya sa skin. Charot. Hindi. Parang ano lang, maganda lang talaga siya and compact. And maganda siya tingnan, minimalist. Although wala na siya naman, guys. So, I need to refill pa lang. So, next naman is my hand lotion. Another white item dito sa bag ko. Diba? Puro white. So, this one is a new skin lotion. Nilagay ko lang sa isang container na binigay ng friend ko. I think this is from Miniso. I think Daiso. Hindi ako sure. So, nilagay ko lang yung new skin na lotion here kasi yun yung usual kong ginagamit na lotion every single day because ano siya hindi siya sticky and hindi siya makapal masyado, but it moisturizes your skin at the same time. So that's why I like that lotion. Nilagay ko lang dito sa maliit na white na container to match the aesthetic of my texture. Yeah. So next naman is my lip balm. This is a Dior Lip Glow na lip balm in pink. I got this a few months ago and nagustuhan ko yung ano niya, yung fact na pag ginagamit ko siya, hindi ko na need mag-lipstick, hindi ko na need mag-lip tint. Kasi may color na siya, guys. And sobrang natural and sobrang simple lang siya. I use this every day. Pag wala talaga ako sa mood mag-makeup, except today, syempre kailangan mag-makeup for the vlog. But like every single day na wala ako sa mood, wala ako sa mood mag-makeup masyado. Ito yung ginagamit ko. It does its job. It makes my lips a bit more lively and colorful man lang. Although, hindi ka like trying hard na ano mo talaga yung lip color mo. So, this is really, really good for every day for me, ha. And if you're on a budget, I would suggest Sunny's Face. Kasi I agree, medyo may kamahalan nga lang tong Dior. But Sunny's Face daw maganda. Hindi ko pa na-try, but they say na maganda din daw talaga yung parang may ganito sila na nagpo-color din, lip balm na may color. So, you should try that. Next naman is my mirror. This is my compact mirror. This is the Chanel compact mirror. I know, medyo pricey nga to for a mirror, pero like, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng ganitong items that I know that I would really, really keep and cherish. So this is my gift for myself. So ayan, I love that it has a cute velvet black pouch. And ito yung mirror, guys. It's, yeah, may, charot, gaganda ka talaga dito if ito yung gagamitin yung mirror joke. But, yeah, gusto ko lang siya. So, ayan lang, guys. Gusto ko siya. You can always have a different compact mirror naman, syempre. But, ito lang yung gift ko for myself. Kaya minsan lang ako bumibili ng mga stuff na ganito. And since hindi ko pa kaya si Chanel bag, ito muna yung mirror yung binili ko. Yeah. So, tapos na tayo sa third compartment. Let's go to the last one. I have here an extra mask na syempre hindi ko talaga nagamit. And I make sure na hindi siya nagagamit talaga na nagagamit agad-agad. I like the fact that I have here a secured mask na nasa plastic pa. And, yan, black syempre. Para maganda. I also have here with me my wet wipes. I know this isn't the usual wet wipes that I talk about or I have with me. Pero wala na silang, hindi ko natatimingan na nandun yung mga maliliit na Sanitizer na wet wipes that I usually use. So, I only have this. Pero okay na lang din. Although bulky siya and malaki, it takes up a lot of space. But it's better to have one kesa wala. Diba? So, for now, ito muna until makita ko na yung maliliit na Sanitizer if they have it. So, yan. Next naman is this Fisherman's Friend in lemon. I am not sure pero parang every year may nakikita kayong Fisherman's Friend sa bag ko. And every year parang ibang flavors yung nandun. This year naman, this is the lemon flavor that I use. Gusto ko na magdala nito in case na parang feeling ko yung throat ko or like nauubo ako. Although hindi siya advisable to kanang consume daily, like parang hindi naman talaga worse yung nafe-feel mo, hindi mo siya parang inumin. It's just me, guys, so wag niyong tularan, okay? Ako lang to. Basta yun, kasi I heard na pag parang scrap sales na lang din, na parang hindi siya dapat ginagamit on a daily lang, na parang na ka lang, na yung throat mo is parang uncomfortable lang or something. Tapos nauubo ka lang, then nag-strap sales ka, so I think it's really not advisable. Yeah, but it's nice that you also have something like this in case of emergency na totoo need mo na talaga siya. So yeah. So meron pang last area dito na sobrang liit niya. Makikita mo lang dito yung coach na card, yung ganyan lang. But I have here with me, Charles, meron pang silika. Ganyan. So what I have here with me is my rosary. Ito talaga yung rosary ko. Every bag, lahat ng bag na nililipatan ko, kahit maliit na bag pa yan, or working bag, or this bag, or pang travel bag, I always take with me this one thing na I feel like I would really need. Ito kasi yung rosary na binigay ng dad ko. I think 4 years or 5 years ago. So, it means a lot to me. And I feel secured if like, nadala ko siya. Like, if I feel like yung anxiety ko overwhelming na, I just reach out for this and pray. And, ayun lang, it makes me feel secured lang. So, it's just me. And, ganun lang naman, yung nakasanayan ko, guys. So, yeah. Actually guys, meron siyang compartment din dito na maliit. You could just, usually before, nilalagay ko dito yung vaccine card ko, pero wala siya dito ngayon. I think nasa ibang bag siya. Right, so that ends my what's inside my bag 2022 version. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and let me know if you have other suggestions that you want to watch here in my channel. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys